National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Starke County in northwestern Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, southwestern LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Judson, or near Knox, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Knox, Bourbon, North Judson, Argos, Culver, Hamlet, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Oak Grove, Lomax, Ober, English Lake, Brems, Hibbard, Winona, Old Tippecanoe, Donaldson, Grovertown and Thomaston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall and Starke.